Welcome learners for the lecture 24 of a linear algebra. Today we are discussing about the invariant subspaces and Cayley-Hamilton theorem. In this unit, Cayley-Hamilton theorem is the most important part. Let us go started as this form that will be generated to the equation, that is the invariant subspaces and Cayley-Hamilton theorem. We observe if V is considered as a eigenvector vector of a linear operator T. You know that in a previous lecture we're discussing about the linear operator that will be generated as a T. Then T maps the span of a V into itself. Subspaces that are mapped into themselves are of a great importance to study of the linear operator. That means a T, how to generate it, how to form, or their value will be generating in the vector spaces V. Okay, what is the definition they generated of the invariant subspaces? Let T be the linear operator or a invariant vector space V. A subspace W of the V is called as a T invariant subspace of a V. If we generate it as a TW, is a subspace will be generated in the form or considering to the equation, that is a W. If T of a V is an elements of W, then small v is an elements of also W. Means they will be clear in this form, that is a W is generated to the form of a small v for generating to their value. If we add it as a T linear operator, then it will be generated to the same condition is an elements of their subspaces for generating of their value. Then for giving to the example of this form, example first, let T be the linear operator of the R to the power 3 defined by T ABC equals to A plus minus B plus minus C, and third condition is show that a 0. What will be say or to define this value of the plane that will be generated as a xy plane, they generated as a x-axis as well as a y-axis for giving to the plane x, y and 0. Xy is an element of a R for giving to the value, and then x is generated as a axis, that is a x00. X is an elements of R, means RT invariant subspaces of a RQ will be generated. Second example is considering how to represent it this form. Let T be the linear operator on a RQ defined by the T ABC equals to minus B plus C, A plus C and 3C. Then given to the solution of this form, same as a we determine the T cyclic subspaces generated by the E1 equals to 100, since their value will be generated T E1 for getting to the form equals to T100 equals to 010. They generated to the form of a three condition for the 100, 010 and 000, because E2 will be considered and E1 will be generated in the identity matrix 100, and second form E2 will be generated as a 010. This form will be considering, and if we get it as the form T square E1 equals to T square means T E1 equals to T E2 is form is considering, that is a minus 100. It is called as a minus E1. Then it's follow that to the equation of a spam, that is a E1 or the linear operator E1 or T square E1. If we get it as a more of this example for the first condition, second condition, third condition, if we apply as a form, that is the first E1 E1 T square E1, both of this form will be generated, that is a spam of a E1 E2 is represented, that is a ST0. ST is also elements